beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Sometimes the best days start with simple cravings, and today we are going somewhere really special. Come with me as I tour one of the best ice cream factories in Lagos, right here on the mainland. This cozy spot is called Waffle Monster Cave, located at number 37A Ogudu, beside FarmCity, Ikeja, Lagos, Nigeria. Now let's talk about the vibe, because Waffle Monster, this place is giving premium experience on a soft budget. First off, the space management 10 over 10. Despite the fact that they have a very small space, yet everything is so well arranged, not too crowded, not too empty, just the right balance. You can actually breathe, sit, and vibe comfortably. And the cleanliness, oh my god, spotless. I mean, you could literally eat off the floor, but please don't. It's given we care about hygiene, energy, and I respect it. Aesthetically, the colors, the light, the setup, it's giving Instagram worthy from every angle. You know those places where even the words are saying, take a picture of me? Yeah, that's this place. The real magic is the toppings. From the moment I stood at the counter, I was like, how am I supposed to choose when everything looks this good? They had chocolate rocks, cinnamon sprinkle, rainbow sprinkle, and Mentos, red velvet crumbs, chocolate seed, chocolate syrup, white syrup, lotus syrup. Honestly, it was like a toppings fashion show. Each one came with its own personality, like, pick me, I am the sweet one. No, pick me, I am crunchy and cool. And yes, I may or may not have chosen more than I should, but hey, no regrets. And let's not forget the real stars of the show, the ice cream flavors. I walked in thinking I would just grab one scoop and go, but guess what? They had options, real confuse your taste buds kind of options. There was mango, there was lottery, popcorn, choco crunch. They also had birthday cake, strawberry yogurt, twist, melted milk, biscuit flavor, cinnamon crunch, a lot. Honestly, it was like walking through a desert fantasy. I literally stood there like, do I want creamy? Do I want crunchy, fruity, or chocolatey? God! But take note, this is not a regular ice cream corner. This is flavor land, and every scoop comes with personality. Now let's talk taste, because well, creamy isn't even the word. This ice cream is smooth like a soft hug from inside. You know that moment when creaminess melts slowly on your tongue and you just close your eyes? Yeah, it was given luxury. And nope, I didn't stop at just ice cream. I had to try their waffles too. Warm, fluffy, and drizzled with rich chocolate syrup. It was giving pure indulgence. The mix of that warm waffle and cold creamy ice cream, absolutely perfect. Every bite was so soft, sweet, and just comforting. Waffle Monster really knew what they were doing. Oh, and it doesn't stop at ice cream and waffles alone. They also have freshly baked cookies, freshly squeezed juices, and a few other sweet treats that will definitely catch your eyes. It's like a little dessert heaven in there. I even had a little chat with one of the staff, super friendly guy, and he was just smiling the whole time. You could tell he genuinely enjoyed being there. Good vibes only. You need to see this. I was so happy, I literally couldn't hold it in. I stood up and started dancing. I mean, the music they were playing was just too good, and the vibes in that place, immaculate. The combo of good food, sweet smells, pretty aesthetics, and that feel good music just lit something in me. I didn't even care if anyone was watching. I was living my best life. And guess what? After all that sweetness and dancing, I spent a total of just 9,500 naira, and I still went home with popcorn. Can you imagine? Full belly, happy heart, and an extra treat for later. Honestly, Waffle Monster gave me vibes, value, and vibes again. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly click on the subscription button below, like, comment, and share. See you in my next video. Bye!